Hey friends, in this video I just want to show you what I eat in a day on the Daniel fast. So this is my breakfast. I have in this cup with my straw here some juice that I made in my juicer. I showed you my video before with my Hamilton Beach juicer. This is just beets that I juiced with cucumber, turmeric, ginger, and an apple. It's so delicious. So I drink this first, and then here I have my oatmeal, which has some chia seeds in there. So I showed you guys how to make overnight oats in another video. So this is what this is. I also added some banana, cinnamon, and this nut butter that I got from Trader Joe. It's the mixed nut butter. Guys, this is so awesome. I love that it has seeds in it. So when you look at the ingredients here, you will see that it says almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. So I love this. There's no additives in it, and it's just going to give my oatmeal a really great flavor. So this is what I'm having for my breakfast on my Daniel fast, and then I'll show you what I have for a snack and then what I'm making for dinner later. So for my snack today on the Daniel fast, I'm having some papaya, some grapes, and some walnuts. And the reason why I added the walnuts is because it's healthy fat. Healthy fats keep you feeling full long. Same reason why earlier when I had my oatmeal, I made sure that I added that mixed nuts because nuts have healthy fats in them. Also with the oatmeal, the fiber in the oatmeal as well as the chia seeds definitely help you stay full, feeling long. So always make sure that you're having foods that will keep you feeling full for a longer time period. So this is what I'm having for my snack today on the Daniel fast, and then I will show you what I'm having for lunch. I think I'm going to make the same thing for lunch and dinner. I'm probably just going to make a large pot of this, and then I'll have a little bit for lunch, and then I'll have some for dinner as well. All right, guys, this is what I'm having for lunch and dinner. I've decided I'm just going to make one large pot, and I'm going to split it between 2 meals. So I have some broccoli florets. I have 1 large sweet onion. I have an orange bell pepper, but you could use any color bell pepper. You have red, green, it's really up to you, or orange. I have some organic brown rice. This is from Trader Joe's. So this is really easy. You just heat it up in the microwave. So you can see it just says on the packaging, cooked organic brown rice, and that is it. So I have that. I have these baby Bella mushrooms as well. And I have these organic whole cashews that are unsalted and unroasted, and these are from Costco. So I actually bought most of this stuff from Costco. So you guys know how much I love Costco. This is not sponsored, just really love Costco. So when I buy stuff like this, I know I can get multiple meals out of it, because with these cashews, you guys have already seen in another video, I made like a cashew Alfredo type sauce for a different Daniel fast meal. So I love buying this big thing of cashew from Kirkland because it makes many different meals. I also bought these mushrooms and this broccoli at Costco. Did I say Kirkland? At Costco, because again, same thing, you get a large amount and it makes multiple meals. So you're probably wondering, like, what the heck are you making with all of these different items? I'm actually going to make some fried rice for the Daniel fast. So I feel like I could make fried rice and use it as a Daniel fast lunch or a Daniel fast dinner, and I can make a large amount. So you can see I talk about, you know, the importance of having like healthy fat in your meals. So cashews will definitely give you that healthy fat, help you stay feeling full. Fiber from the brown rice. We have mushrooms and broccoli. So also, you know, onions. So we're doing pretty great, in peppers. So everything here is going to definitely keep you feeling full. For lunch, the only thing that I'll probably do different is that I'll probably add some avocado to the side. So more healthy fats, yay. So I'll probably add some avocado. And then for dinner, I just won't add the avocado. And so this is what I'm eating in a day on the Daniel fast. I hope you guys have been making some delicious meals, and most importantly, I hope that your relationship with God has been strengthened during this Daniel fast. If you want to see more videos like this, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, I have to remind you, you're only one prayer away. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye. Take care.